This is an update to the twin dilemma that I posted before. Instead of having to use a second program to edit your twins, this shows you how to do it within Evoto. This was brought to my attention and I honestly don't know how I missed it before. If you go into the locate face box, you'll notice that both these are female. If we change it from female to male, you'll notice both change. Because Evoto is detecting both faces as the same person. If you look under the individual section, you'll notice that number 1 is the same person. Here's what we do to fix this. We're going to go back to the face locate section. Let's say change this back to female for now. Click in the middle of the box and notice you have delete. We're now going to be deleting this completely. Now, if you go back and you go under individual, you'll notice no face is detected because we removed the detection. Even if you go to female, which it was before, let's try to do something to the female, like try to change the hair. Nothing happens because this face here is no longer being detected at all. So now what do? Go back to the face detect section. We're going to go to locate face on the top left. Drag this box to the first face. Click on the checkbox. You'll now see it located the face and added female. We're going to change this one to male. Now go to locate face again. Drag this over the second face. This would be your second twin. Click on the checkbox. We're going to leave this one as female. We have the other options, male, female, child, child, infant, and senior. We're just going to leave it as female. These are our only choices right now. Keep this one as a female. Go back. Now, this one is located as a female. Let's change the hair. We can even play around with everything. Edit as normal. Here's your neck length, your arms. AI reshape, it's only detecting this individual. Now this one we had changed to a male. Let's do the same thing. Let's change the hair to green. Now you see it's only affecting this one. Full body reshape, same thing. So that's how to fix the twin issue without having to use a second program.